Hey y'all, welcome to Paul's Workshop. We got something a little bit different for you today. If you're new to the channel, welcome, stick around. If you've been with us for a while, welcome back. We don't often talk about all of our hobbies here, but if you're into one, two, three of these things that we're into here, you're probably into all of them. One of the things we do here is model trains. We haven't really done any videos on it, but there was a kit that came out recently, and I said, I really need to get this. And I'm really excited to open this. I'm hoping it's as cool in the box as it looked online. But without wasting any more time, let's dive into an unboxing. All right, this took a little while to get here because, as you can see, it did make its way to us via Canada Post. So this comes from a company called Interaction Enterprises, and it's an HO scale model. But let's take a look at what we have in the box. So, all right, so we have some tape here we need to cut. Look at our trusty, try to do that actually in there so you guys can see it. So here we go. We're going to open up this might be a little bit more sealed. We got to cut the side here too. Okay, so we're going to cut the side. And cut the sides here gently. Hopefully we don't wreck what's inside. All right, let's see what we got. Get this packing slip out of here. All right, and here we have, those of you who know The Sopranos, we have the pork store kit. Satriale's pork store meat market as featured in the television series The Sopranos. When I saw this, I said, man, I gotta have this. It includes the optional detailing kit. So if you look, this is, I'm thinking this is a wooden kit. This is a basswood kit. So we'll do an unboxing on this and see what's inside. But I'm hoping to actually do this as sort of a series of videos if I have the patience to film it. Now, coming from Jersey and growing up really in the town where a lot of this was filmed, I've been a fan pretty much since maybe the second or third season came out. This is a model we built before. This is a few years old. This was done by Blair Models. I don't know if this is still available, but this is the Pizza Land kit. And this was a wood kit. And this looks exactly like the Pizza Land does in person. So this is in the opening credits of the TV show. So this is a model we did a few years back. Yeah, it still held up pretty well. So hoping that we're gonna, kind of add these as a side-by-side, make a little neighborhood or something, a diorama. They've done really a great job packaging this kit, and it's in a plastic container, a plastic actually a plastic box with a see-through, see-through plastic. And so they're telling us it's 3D engraved basswood, milled basswood walls, laser cut windows and door glazings, 3D printed exterior details, mat board building foundation. So this is a complete, looks like a complete kit. And this was the optional kit that has the extra details, minus the people, I think. So let's get into this. I got to see how we actually open this. Okay, so they just have a nice piece of packing tape on the top, keeping that closed. And let's get into let's, I guess, slide these contents out here on the table. Let's see all right, we're gonna look inside here. And so they give us some tips on how to get the parts out. Give us some color combinations, right? They tell you what colors to use. Really nice detailed instructions. So glad to see that. This looks like it's going to be a really fun kit to build. So we'll put those aside. And we have our decal sheets. Wow, look at that. I love it. Oh man, this is awesome. This is really cool, guys. So here are some, these are templates. Not sure what you do with this, but we'll get there when we get there. Nice parts ID sheet. And a little bit of information about this company. From what I understand, it's a husband and wife team. They kind of do this don't know if it's done out of the home or how it's done, but you know, small operation, but looks like good quality stuff. Let's see what we have. Well, this is thin. So we have some of our parts here, all laser cut. There's our there's our mat board. Then you can see the tabs where we're going to put our parts in to keep it together. So that looks like it's going to be nice. There you can see. I'm not going to take everything out, but you can see the wall laser etched. So very, very cool. And then your basswood strips. Here's our detail parts. So they have supermarket shelves and things like that. So this, you see, this is the detail kit. And it has its own part number, but it's only available in the Pork Store kit. And then we have our rooftop vents and things like that. So yeah, this looks like this is going to be quite a fun kit to build. So I'm hoping that I have the patience to film it and do it and bring you all along with me. But I wanted to do an unboxing on that and show you that this is the Interaction Hobbies Pork Store kit with interior details. So if you're looking to get one, that's the kit, that's the model. You can find Interaction Hobbies. You can find them online, www.interactionhobbies.com. This is not sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not sponsored. Just something that I'm really excited to build and hopefully share with you guys. So stay tuned.